You're saying we don't take the good stuff from your page. Kylie, tell me how often do you have good stuff on your page? Very often, very rarely. You always post. It's either you're always over there cussing or whatever. What do you want me to do? You can't control me. You can't. You know you can't control me. You're saying stuff like, oh, don't put up your picture. I didn't put up your picture. I put up a video that you did. The same way I put up other people's videos. Why is none of them having an issue with me putting up their videos? Why do you feel the need to come and call me out for my style of blogging? Are you going over to all the other pages and tell them don't put out your picture? No, because they're putting out your video. The same thing they're doing, I'm doing it. I'm doing it on my live. So what's the big deal? You know what I've realized with you people? You always feel like you can control me. None of you, respectfully, none of you can control me. I'm a big deal about yes, sir. Respect my ethics. Respect my drive. Respect my determination to be successful at what I'm doing. But no, I feel like every time you guys see me go up the ladder just a little bit more, you guys want to come and pull me down, right? It will never happen. Always remember, I have my people. My people. You have your people. I can't tell you, do I come to be and tell you anything? No, I don't. Ask me why. I don't care. I don't care. This is all fun to me. You have the nerve to take to your page and say, oh, people are mocking you. I saw what you done. You are basically telling your followers in a third person's voice, don't support him. Kylie, I care zero. Whether your followers support me or not, I care zero. Dwayne FLETCHER's going places. I promise you. The race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure it. And you know what I've realized? Every time all of you see me elevate just a little bit more, I feel like it gets some type of envy is intact. I've always maintained I have no enemies on here, and I will continue to maintain that fact. Could you not have reached out to me in my WhatsApp? You could have, right? But no, you tried to come to my page to come and ridicule me in my comments, and then to add salt to the wound, you took to your page and you put out a statement. Was that necessary? No. But because you're very extra, you thought, oh, okay, be extra. Be extra. I'm gonna block you. You're annoying. And to answer your question, no, I can't. Since you asked me, no, I can't. I know, funny thing, I'm not even blogging. I'm not even blocking. I'm not blocking you. You want attention, you won't get it. Kylie has an ignorant side. She's very ignorant, and that's the thing why a lot of you are not being as successful as you can be on here. Everything you people wanna control people. None of you can control me. None of you will ever control me. None of you. I'm my own person. And I'll always be my own person. And I'll continue to maintain I have no enemies on here. I'm having fun, and that's it. I am sure nothing I did the other day would mock you. But look at you. You want to project that narrative to your audience, right? No. You can't be putting that such. You can't. This can simply be sorted out better than this. I'm not being, Bezine, I am not being disrespectful. I am not. You know, someone commented under that very post. I even screenshotted it and sent it to her. The people, they support you. No one over here is laughing at you. No one. Yes, in the mix, you might have a few planks who's actually going at you. But what do you want me to do? Are you trying to tell me to censor the planks? I'm not censoring nobody. Nobody. and 3/4 of the people on my page supports you, minus a few of the planks. They will come here and they will ridicule you. What do you want me to do? Well, you want me to block them? I'm not going to block them. I'm not blocking nobody. Exactly, Barbisha. Exactly. That's my point. She could have reached out to me in my inbox, in my WhatsApp, but no. She took to her page and gonna put out big statement as if to say she's trying to tear me down. You can't tear me down. And I've never once come on my page and try and tone you down. Never. I don't try and tear down nobody. In fact, I'm not gonna say I elevate you either, but I promote all of you. I promote all of you. I promote Donna. I promote Curly. I promote Tina Chin. I promote Maxine. I promote shit. Even Curly. Even Porty. I promote all of you. You're saying we don't take the good stuff from your page. Curly, tell me how often do you have good stuff on your page? Very rarely. You always post. It's either you're always over there cussing or whatever. What do you want me to do? I'm not gonna come up with I'm putting up praise the Lord. What? Why should I put out praise the Lord? My page is a mix-up page. Mix up, Marcia Campbell. Mix up. Oftentimes we think we're too big for our boots, and I think I know why. I've been giving a lot of you far too much highlight on my page. I've been giving some of you far too much highlight on my page. Guess what? From today, I promise you, it's gonna be it's gonna go down to the bare minimum. Unlucky, just know me is a big deal, but yes, put some respect over here, and I'm not gonna get disrespectful. Put some respect over here. You could have messed with my WhatsApp, right? No, but you choose to come on my page to come and try and make me look bad in front of my audience. You know what, guys? You know what I did? I deleted it. I deleted that video. I deleted it. Don't come over here and think any of you can reprimand me or control me, because it's not gonna happen. Not even my mother can control me. How very dare any of you feel like you can control me? I will always love mix-up. I will always love people's business. Always. Even on my old bed. I'm going to be rocking my damn walking stick to find out the latest gossip. I swear to God. But you know, I'm quite sure she's realized I've been doing well on my page. I've been doing well on my page. And from, okay, how can I put a dampen on whatever he's got going on over there? Okay, let me tell him this. I mess up his damn spirit. Don't do that, Master, because I will never do that to none of you. I will always maintain I don't hate anyone. I just know I'm staying to myself, and I don't want to be on anyone's side. I'm on my own side and the damn mix-up side. Leave me be. Block my page. Block me. You won't see me. And you won't have to see anything my audience is doing, because I'm quite sure. And you know, funny thing, 3/4 of the people who follows me, I am sure they follow you too. So how on earth are they going to ridicule you? How on earth are they going to be mocking you? And I'm not going to block. I am not blocking the planks just to please none of you. Me nah block them. Me nah block none of them. I'm not blocking nobody. The only ones I'll block is ones who are disrespectful to me. Because never will I ever disrespect any of you. I will not. I told myself lately, Dwayne, try to blog and blog with principle. This is my second chance of everything. And I'm not going to allow anyone to take it from me. No one will take it from me. When social media dies is the day I will die too. And this is my way of having fun. My way. I will never disrespect any of you. I will never disrespect any of the followers. The most I'm going to start doing to you is just block you. Because I have no time for the nonsense. I really don't. Have fun. Stop tearing on people. Or stop making other people look bad. I don't want to be alone. I just want to be on my own side. And the gossip side. And that's it. When I come on here, if I feel to insert myself in conversations, I'm going to do so. Oftentimes I don't, but sometimes I do insert myself and add my little 2 cents here or there. Most I do is laugh and skin of my big stinking discolored teeth. That's what I do. I don't do nothing else. So don't come out here and try to paint this picture as if my followers are over here ridiculing, because let's be real, none of them are over here ridiculing. In fact, all of them, 3/4 of them, 99.9% of my followers like you. I have no time for this. Curly must stop. I think you need to delete that post. You need to delete that post because you are sending a wrong message to your people, as if say my followers are ridiculing me, and I don't like it. That's why I've been told you. Me don't want a friend from none. Me don't want a friend from none. I don't know. Me don't want a friend. I'm staying by my damn self. And what you did today, it solidified my reason why I don't want no friends from none of you. I don't. I'm gonna stay to myself. And then we'll look a mix up in peace. You must delete that post. Because what you did it's not okay. That's very bad. That's bad. I would never do that to you. And you know damn well I would never come on my page and ridicule you. But oftentimes I've seen you. This is not the first you've tried to paint that picture about me. You must stop it. You must stop it. As I told you, I don't want a friend from none. I don't know. I'm gonna stay by myself. I'm too damn enough sometimes. And I've learned I'm too enough oftentimes. That's just to look a mix up. And listen, don't come to my page. If you don't want to come to my page, don't come. Because I very rarely come to your page. If someone, I can go on my WhatsApp. If people don't send me your link and say, Dwayne, this happened over there, or this happened, I don't come. And I'm gonna scale back how often I talk about you on my page, because I feel like at this point you feel like you are God's gift to my page. And darling, let me assure you, you are not. You're not. You must stop. You must stop. It's not cute.